In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Find and Replace feature in Microsoft Word to locate duplicate words in your documents. This tool is incredibly handy if you're working on a large document and you want to maintain consistency and clarity by eliminating repetitive words. So let's get started. First, you will want to open up your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure the document you intend to edit is open and visible on your screen. This will be your starting point for the entire process, as we'll be making all changes directly within it. Now locate the Replace function. You can find this under the Home tab, nestled within the Editing group on the ribbon at the top of your Word window. Clicking here will open the Find and Replace dialog box, which is our main tool for this exercise. This box allows you to specify what you're searching for and what you'd like to replace it with. However, in this particular guide, we're not going to replace anything, but rather take advantage of its ability to find and highlight duplicates. Once you have the dialog box open, you want to focus on the Find field. Here is where you'll enter the word you suspect might be unnecessarily repeated across your document. For our example today, let's imagine we're looking for the word apple. By typing apple into the Find box, you instruct Word to scan the document for every instance of this particular word. The next step is to click on More, which expands the dialog box to show additional options. It's important here to check the box labeled Find Whole Words Only. This ensures that Word only highlights full instances of the word apple rather than parts of other words that may contain the same sequence of letters. With that option selected, change the reading highlight to Highlight All. This will instantly highlight every occurrence of the word within your open document. Visual confirmation through highlighting can quickly show you every spot where apple appears, making it much simpler to assess whether the frequency of use is justified or needs reducing for better clarity or flow within your content. That's it. With all instances clearly highlighted, you can now decide if you need to make edits or condense the usage of apple as necessary. Use this method anytime to polish your writing by managing repetitive or excessive usage, thereby improving the reading experience for your audience. And there you have a quick, effective way to utilize Microsoft Word's Find and Replace feature for spotting duplicate words in just a few steps. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your productivity with everyday software tools. Thanks for watching and happy editing.